What's going on, my peeps? And man, Versatile's back with another short back here to show you guys how you can unlock your Samsung device faster. And I'm using the Galaxy Z Flip 3 as an example. So if you go into settings, you go into biometric security, go into face recognition, put in your pattern. Here, you can add an alternative look that will help increase your face data. So that way you unlock faster. You can turn off stay on lock screen until swipe, which means as soon as it catches your face, it'll automatically take you into your home screen on the last screen you were using. And also, of course, have face or facial recognition on. You can also turn off require open eyes, so that way it will actually unlock that much faster. The other thing you can do is go into fingerprints, turn that on real quick. And then down here, you can have fingerprint always on, which means when your phone is unfolded, you can place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and it will let you in that much faster. And that's how you can unlock your Samsung device faster.